for taking any trading and investment calls. All the charts posted here are for educational purposes only. First of all, I come to the Nifty PSU Bank Index. It is the most outperforming sector at the moment and following an absolutely different trajectory as compared to the other indices and the overall markets. When the Nifty is moving southwards, PSU Bank space seems to be heading northwards. Now, if we see on a technical basis, we have a upper Bollinger Band walk along with the expansion of the Bollinger Bands. The RSI has been constantly moving higher and higher and is placed comfortably above 70 since the last 5 to 6 sessions. Today morning, during the MPC announcement by the governor, there was more positive news lined up for the PSU bank space as compared to the private bank space, and that could be the trigger for the next leg of rally in the Nifty PSU bank space. We may witness some. Now, if on an individual basis, if we see stocks like SBI, Bank of Baroda, PNB, Canara Bank, all these names seem extremely positive on charts. SBI has been constantly trading higher after giving fresh breakouts in the last 2 to 3 sessions. It's trading at all-time highs. Today we saw an excellent move in SBI. Canara Bank, it has gained more strength after the announcement of a possible stock split. And even the low float names like the Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, all these stocks also seem extremely bullish on charts. Now, if one was to decide purely based on technicals, they are the strongest stocks in this space, which are trying to approach their previous all-time highs after giving them multi-year breakouts and crossing their long-term resistances. So whatever may be the news flow, technically the PSU bank space is trying to move towards the level of 8,000 at least over the next 6 to 8 months. I come to Nifty Pharma. Now, the index is already trading higher after crossing its multi-year high of 14,600. We saw the breakout around the levels of 14,600, and since then the index has been trading higher. Currently we are placed around the levels of 18,520, and in the near term the levels of 20,000 in the index seem imminent. Again, from the technical indicators perspective, we are witnessing band expansion, the Bollinger Band expansion. The RSI is also supportive of the current move. Now, names like Lupin, Sun Pharma, and Cipla and Alchem, they are extremely bullish on charts, and these are the names that can lift the Nifty Pharma index to another fresh highs. Next, I come to CNX Energy. Again, the index has been in an uptrend, constantly making higher highs and higher lows. Any and all the dips in this space have been bought in the last 8 to 10 sessions, and we can see that the lower wicks, a lot of hammer kind of formations in the last 5 to 6 sessions. And now the constituents of this index primarily include Tata Power, ONGC, IOC, BPCL, HPCL. All these charts, all these names, all these stocks are extremely bullish on the charts, and they don't seem to have a deeper correction, and any dips in these names can be buying opportunities for any dips in this names can be the buying opportunities, and we may see further fresh highs in these particular names.